Hello, so we are back. Still Friday, yeah? And what do we have here? We have a tablet, a Lenovo tablet. It's a Lenovo A7600, yeah? The problem with this one, check on the USB meter, the first on the corner. If we plug this on charge, nothing, 0, 0. So that's my problem with this one. It's not charging. You see 0, 0 on the first one. So let's see what can be wrong with this one. Yeah. This should be a quick job. Yeah. Should be a quick job. I can see here is broken on the back. We have one screw here, but the screw is sealed. This one, you see the white one has a sealed over, so no one opened this tablet before. That's good. What do you do first? Yeah, just tell me. You probably should know by now. First, we charge the battery and test the tablet, because there's no point fixing the charging port if the board is dead or the screen is cracked. You understand? Okay, the back cover is out. First, charge the battery, yeah? Power supply. It's obvious, red is plus, black is minus. And we have on the power supply 2 amps, let's go high, 3 amps. Yeah? At this moment we are charging the battery with 3 amps. The battery is very discharged. On the other side I have only 3.9. When it's around 4 with 3 amps, when it's around 4.4, I think the tablet will be coming on. Let's see. We have 4 volts. You see that the voltage is rising when the battery is getting more charge, yeah? So in this moment with 3 amps, on the other side of the, because it's limited, yeah? We charge the battery by the current limit, not by the voltage, yeah? So in this moment we have a limit, current limit, amps, yeah? 3 amps. So obviously on the other side the voltage is moving freely, so in this moment is 4.1. Obviously it's a relationship between that voltage and the amps, and actually that voltage 4.1, yeah, is actually the voltage from the power supply. So in this moment on the power supply is 4.1. But on my battery with 4.1 probably it's like 3.3, because the rest of the power gets lost on the wires. On the electronic board here. So obviously I know when now we have 4.2 volts. So 4.2 probably here with 3 amps we have 3.4 volts. Well, let's check, yeah. 3.4 I said, yeah. Let's see. We have the multimeter on the bottom, the last one. Nah, I was wrong, 3.2. Okay. I'm getting dodgy. I think it's because my optimistic behavior. But let's wait. Yeah, just have a nice lunch. Like a rabbit, you know? Chicken breast and salad. Okay, 4.3. Let's try to power up the tablet with the help from the power supply. Yeah. Let me find the power button. Is here. Yeah, actually the tablet is on because the voltage drop there. Let's see now quickly. Yeah, it's on. So my tablet is working. Okay, that's all what I want to know. Yeah. Let's take out the battery. And all the other things, so take the board out. Or should we check the charging port here? Let's see. On the back, this is a nice tablet. You know it's why it's nice? Because look on these people, how they put all the... You see there? So here I have the charging port. The solders are on the other side, but they put all the pins here. The data pins, plus and minus. That's great, you know, it's helpful. So let's plug the charger and check the charger is plugged. It's charging now. No, still 0. So you can take the ground from anywhere. Here is ground, here. You see on the metal. Here is ground, everywhere is ground, yeah? So you can get the ground from anywhere. And here is the plus probably. And we have nothing. Nothing. Let's take the board out, yeah? I know it's bad, but I love Coca-Cola, you know? I know it's bad. Okay, that's the digitizer, ribbon cable. That's the card reader. I think we have to take out the card reader. That's out. Ah, and I need a solder iron. Okay. Because we have so many connections here. Speaker, vibrator, another speaker. But this should be a quick job, you know. A few screws. You know what? If you try to take the speakers out, it's very possible the membrane to get stick on the thing, and you'll break the speaker. So it's better to just desolder the wires. Happened to me so many times, especially on phones. When you want to replace the screen and you have to take the speaker out, and actually you'll broke the speaker. Okay, let's see how we can take the board out. The camera. Okay, let's take these wires out. Okay. Okay, looks good. Let's see, I try to get the board out. I think there are some clips here. I want my other tool. Where is my other tool? Oh, it's not here. Vibrator, okay. Oh, look at the charging board. He just fell down. So we see why it's not charging. That's why it's not charging. Because the charging board is not even soldered there. And one track is missing. Yeah, that's the beauty of this job, you know. And actually, even if you want to replace the charging port, you have one track missing. So let's see there. And you know which track is missing? The positive one, the plus. So you know, on one side you have the ground, on one side you have the plus. Yeah? So here we have the ground, yeah? Here we have the plus. And here you can see the dots. These are the data lines. I can show the data lines, but plus is gone. So my data lines are good on this moment. But look at the plus thing, yeah? I'll try to solder this back. What about the charging port? The charging port looks great, looks fantastic. Charging port has no issue. So I need only to solder back these things, yeah? That's good. That's great. I don't even have to use the hot air. Or maybe. Yeah, maybe. With the hot air from behind. Yeah, great. Yeah, no, it's not enough. I know. I know. Let's try this thing, you know. Let's make him better. Okay. Because that's the idea, to make it better than a factory, you know. They didn't do it properly, stronger, so now look what happened. Okay, what about this thing? That's perfect. Okay, let me grab the other solder iron. Yeah, let me use some flux. Okay. Let's go closer. See what we can do here. That's the ground. The ground is fine. Data lines. Fine. Yeah, and we have the plus here, which is fine. Oh, I think we are ready. I think we are ready. Just clean a little bit because we will use hot glue to make this stronger. Yeah, you don't want this job to come back. You have to give 3 months, 6 months warranty. You know, you can't play with the customer with these things. Let's see. Hot glue. Yeah. Don't worry about the hot glue. You'll see on the end. You think it's now it's the hot glue is too hard and no. Just wait. We'll heat up the charging pro from the top, and we can do like a proper thing then. Okay. It has some things here. That should be fine. Well, let's solder the wires. Yeah. The vibrator. This speaker. Okay. Yep, 1 second. Let me fit the. It's not the SD card. It's micro SD card. Yeah. Okay. You see, I told you it's easy. Okay, this camera. Okay, let's feed the charging port. Yeah. Now the chargeable goes down, you know. We have a screw here to keep it pressed down. Digitizer. And the battery. You want to see this, see if it's charging? That's what you just said, yeah? Let's see if it's charging. Check there, first from the top, yeah? Check there. 1.4 amps, yeah? Look there. First one, yeah? 1.4 amps. Now my charging port is like new. Yeah, it's stable. It's not dropping the voltage. So actually a job who looks like, you know, hard job. You have one trucks blow up, you know. It's just an easy thing. So what do you think? You have the charging sign here on the tablet. Let's try to power up this. Probably the battery is too low. Yeah, the battery is too low. Yeah, let's see what voltage we have in the battery. 3.5. So actually in like 3.6. And the battery is saying 3.7, but that's a lie, you know. Let's help the charger. Let's see. Three amps. You can see there, so it's taking 1.3 from the USB and 3 amps from the power supply. So actually on the battery right now is going 4.3 amps. That's a lot. And it's still too low. Let's see. We have 3.565. Okay, let's charge more. Let me hold the. You know what? I will power up the tablet. 3 amps. Well, let's power up. Should be on. It's not. Now it's on. You see? That's how you help the things. You think I have more voltage now? No, I don't have. So actually now I have 3.5, even less, but the tablet it's on. You know why? Because obviously if I come with 3 amps from the power supply, the voltage from that connector just rise up. You understand? Probably around 3.8 when I put 3 amps, and the tablet is coming on. So I just fool the tablet, yeah, I fool the tablet. Like the battery it's charged. And the board said, hey, it's okay, we can see it's voltage enough, so yeah, we can start the tablet. And after that I took the I took the power supply out, but it's too late because the tablet already started the startup sequence. That's a trick to start dead tablets, you know, without waiting to battery to get charged. Yeah, it just said the tablet will shut down. Because actually the battery is too low. Okay, let's wait now. Maybe now we'll stay on. Nah, not even close. Because that's the issue, the battery is too low. Yeah. So actually the Android can see the voltage on the battery and he ordered the shutdown. That's the way how these things works. It's same like with the car, you know, when you help the battery with another battery to start, same thing. It's nothing different. Let's try one more time. Yeah, it's on. I can see the light. Yeah, that 1.4 should be enough, really. One point one. And power off. Okay, now it's now it's making me hungry, you know. Hey, and my GoPro died. Come on, I tried to do a video here. That's happened when it's Friday. Dă-l cu 15. Hmm? Okay. Let's check again. Let me check the voltage on the battery. $3.5. No, it's not enough. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, we can check. Just bring it here and I'll check, yeah? Yeah. Problem it's a big battery. That's why it's taking long to charge. No, the battery is good. Not a problem with the battery. Should be, yeah, just now it's like 10% and I have a big battery sign. This is like low battery, so now the battery actually has the minimal voltage. Let's see if it's coming on. No. One minute. Power off. That's happened. That's happened when you try to prove a point. And actually the battery, listen, the battery is still low. The battery still have 3.5. That's happened when you try to prove something. 3.5 amps. Okay. Let's have a minute. And you know what does mean? Does mean actually the battery is very, very good. Because when you have a small capacity, it's easy to fill up that capacity. When you have big capacity, it's hard. So that's exactly what happened now. So to get out from 3.5 I'll up to, let's say, 3.6, 3.7. Look how long it is and how much power I have to put on the battery. So now I know the battery is very good on this tablet. No, the charger will not maintain the tablet on, because most of the power is going on the battery, so it's no power left for the board. Let's try again. Let's see what voltage we have there, because there's no point. .6, maybe. Maybe if we are lucky. Still 0%. Well, I know how I will keep this on. I'll power up the tablet. I'll come with the power supply. And I'll keep the voltage up. And the tablet will start up. Yeah? Yeah? Well, what do you want to do? You don't need to boot to restore the Windows. You don't have to boot to restore the Windows. Reinstall. Okay. Will you change from UEFI to Legacy?
Yeah, it's not.
You go on the BIOS, F2. F2, yeah. Yeah. Let me check. Set the configuration, security. Yeah. You need a UEFI USB bootable stick. No, you can't change on Legacy on this one. Hmm? No, it's not about the hard drive, it's about the BIOS. So you need a UEFI USB, yeah.
So how can I go external?
Easy, I'll show you. Yeah, the tablet should be on now. Let's see. Yeah, it's on. It's on and working. And it's charging. On the corner. Now it's out. Now it's in. Easy. You keep press the shift button and restart the Windows. And you go on the recovery menu. Yeah? Yeah? But he'll lose everything, yeah? He knows that, yeah? Yeah, that's... Fish is a nice name. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you later. Bye.